Hi everyone, it's Carrie's Little Piggies here, and I have for you another Christmas haul. This one is from Playtime Little Critter Creations, which is a company that is based in the United States. And a couple months ago I had placed my first order with her, and I'll leave a link of that unboxing in the description box below. But I fell so in love with her products that I knew I had to make a Christmas order. I didn't even know what she was going to come out with yet, and I just knew I had to order. So what Playtime Little Critter Creations makes are pet-safe wooden toys for all small animals. And I'm so excited, it just arrived. And look at this adorable wrapping that it came in. This is the actual box. I haven't opened anything yet. And she wrapped it in this totally festive Christmas tree green and red print. Oh, it's so Christmassy. I'm so in love with it. So I know you want to open it and see what I got. So let's do that. Okay, I just took off the package wrapping. It was just like I was opening a Christmas present. So let's see what's inside. Oh, it's festive red gift wrap. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at it. And look at how adorable everything looks. Oh my goodness, it's all in gingerbread wrap. I'm so in love with this wrapping. Okay, what to choose first? Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, and look at the back. It says, thank you for your order. Look at the cute little footprints. Oh, so this is what Linda calls one of her little dummies. And it's so cute, and I actually was thinking I should order one, but I don't know why I didn't. So it's so cute. The girls can just pick him up like this and toss him about. I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see. It's all packaged so pretty and so festive. Oh, okay, and it's wrapped in here as well. That is so cute. I really feel like it's Christmas and I'm opening a present. I love it. I'll be right back and show you what it is. Oh my goodness, so look at this. This is a bigger version of that dummy. This is her, I believe she calls it the barbells or the dumbbells. And it's teddy shaped, and it's in festive red. But look what she did. She added my polka dots. They're white polka dots on this side. How cute is that? But of course I had to get a second one for the second cage. And now you have a little bit of a sneak peek into what the Divas theme is going to be for their cage. At least as far as coloring, you know there's going to be some pink in there. And yes, the pink polka dots are also on the fronts of these. I love it so much. So here's the next thing. Let's open it up. Oh, look at this festive paper. I love it. And take a look at this cutie pie here. Oh my goodness. It is a hanging gingerbread man. So the hang around gingerbread, I believe is what she calls it. And it is so adorable. It's got the 3 wooden shoes here that kind of move. So you could actually just put it down in the cage and it be a little like play toy. But she also includes this on a little sisal string here. So you can hang it up. And look at, here's the raffia for them to chew on. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. And even though the Divas cage is not really gingerbread theme, I can't not have a gingerbread man in there. So this one actually matches the colors, the pinks and the greens. And that's my second one. Next is this. So my last order from her also contained these, but I had to get them again because they're so adorable. And I actually wanted 2 of these, but there was only one available by the time I ordered. So let me show you how cute this is gonna be. And here it is. Look at how adorable that is. This is what she calls her mini Christmas tree, although it is in the same shape as her ice cream cones. And I just love it. It's green and red polka dots with a red base. And even though I already have pink ice cream cones, you can never have enough pink stuff. But the reason I got this was because, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but she used like a metallic paint on this. See those dots there? And so it just makes it look so wintry, and I just love it. And it'll match their theme perfectly. Okay, I'm so excited. Next is this. And here's what was in the bag. This is obviously for the Divas cage because it's pink, of course. I could not help but get these. They are what she calls the candy cane lollipops. And look at this pink and white striped one. And then there's a pink polka dot. And then there's a short, wider one and a long, thin one. And don't ask me why I got 4. I don't know. But I mean, I'm going to use this throughout the whole cage. So why not get 4? So of course I had to get 4 again. I don't know why. I just went a little bit crazy. But I got 2 of the red and white stripe. And again, a long, skinny one for the red and white polka dot. And a short, bigger one. So I took a couple of the lollipops out of their wrappers just so that you can see what it looks like. So I don't know if you can see this, but she has actual white polka dots on the stems themselves. But here's the real kicker. Look at the lollipops. I don't know if you can see the candy cane lollipops. She actually put this iridescent, glittery type paint in polka dots all along the white, so that this would actually glitter in certain light. I love it so much. That's what I mean, her attention to detail and the love and effort she puts in it. I just love this stuff so much. I had ordered her little toss-about, which is just corrugated cardboard here. That's the little wooden dowel here. Look at this adorable face with the little red hat topper. And the last 2 things I'm gonna have to take out and open it up to show you. I'm so excited about this. And so look at this. Oh my goodness. It is a garland. It's a wooden garland in the gingerbread boys. And they've also got some cute little Christmas trees. Oh, look at this gingerbread guy. He is so cute. And then look at the Christmas tree. It's just got so much detail and it just is so beautiful. And so for the Divas cage, they of course have a garland as well. And this one has the little teddy bear shapes. It's got the white one and the pink one. And then Christmas trees, they're a little bit smaller than the big gingerbread one, but that's totally cute and totally fine. Look at it, ah, so cute. And then it's got little willow balls also. It's just too adorable. I'm so in love with it. And there you have it. This is my Christmas haul from Playtime Little Critter Creations. I'm so in love with everything. I can't wait to show you what the Divas cage theme is. I won't let you know until I get another haul that should be coming any day now. And then you will know for sure what the theme is. But it will go so perfectly with both themes, everything I got. I cannot tell you how much I love this company, and she's the most wonderful person to work with. I highly recommend you check her out. She now has a Facebook page as well as a website, which I will of course leave links below. And I just really hope that this is getting you more and more into the Christmas spirit, because I know I totally am. We haven't even had our Thanksgiving here yet. And as always, thanks for watching everyone. Until the next video, bye!